What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be going out and just trying to catch some big bass. It has been a long time since I've actually caught some really good bass, so that's what we're trying to go out and do today, and just get out here with what little time we have left here in Missouri and just get on them. Let's see, Mr. Blue Herring is already out there in the middle. He's out there fishing already, so I guess we can go fish with our buddy for a couple hours or so. But guys, I have about 2 weeks left here in Missouri to actually get on these smallmouth before I have to move. And man, it is going to be super bittersweet leaving this place, I will say. I've caught so many good smallmouth while being here for the past 4 years, and I'm just going to be pretty sad to leave this place. But hey, that's the military lifestyle for you. You know, you have to move when they say move. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. But today, we're gonna come out here and see what we can catch. The spillway is looking nice and shallow, and that is the best time to come down here and fish because you can really see where all the cover is. Usually this is just all one big flat. You can't see the grass or anything like that. It just kind of get you hung up all the time, but man, it is super shallow. So guys, if you like this kind of content, please stick around, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button too, help me out here on the channel, and let's dive into this video. There we go. This is a good fish, it feels like. Oh yeah, spotted bass. Pretty good fish here. Heck yeah. I'll take that fish every day. That beautiful largemouth here. That's a nice fish. Not a personal best, but this is a decent fish. He's still wiggling and fighting. Nice little bass here. Full bass back in the water. It's a decent little size bass here for the river. And to be a largie, man, we'll take it. I didn't expect it to come just hang out with me there for a second. That's pretty sweet. Caught that guy on the old tube. He hit the purple tube. There we go. There we go. Nice big one right here. He's got another hook stuck in his mouth right here. Get that out. Yeah, dude. Man. Pretty nice bass. All right, we got this beautiful bass right here. Nice big one. Look how big his mouth is on. Man, he's just hanging out in that current. All right, we're gonna get this dude back. Well, the dude took the Senko, and we're working with this reel that's kind of mangled up. It's kind of wrapped around the spindle in there. Actually, it's cut right here already. I don't know. We may be able to use it. I don't know. We just can't cast far with it. Right, we're gonna come over here and see what we have in the box. I don't even know what we have over here. We might not even have any more crawls. Actually, I think I left all my crawls in the yeah, I think I left all my good crawls in the kayak. But it looks like we got some creature baits here. Pack of crawls. Oh, this is green pumpkin too. There we go. This will work. Hammer that bank line over there. All right, we're hooked into something. Oh yeah, this is a good one. This is a really good one right here. Oh my God, how did we get, oh my God. That was the one we were looking for. Holy shit. That was a good bass. I could not keep up with it. Oh my God, I can't believe I lost that one. That was the one we were looking for. That could have been the PB. Oh my God. That's just disheartening right there. We are all tangled up. I don't even know what the heck is going on over here. Okay. We grabbed a rod. It has a Senko on it. Just a weighted Texas rig. And this may be the answer that we've been looking for. So we scared those bass with that crawfish. Oh, crap, something had it. Sitting over here blabbing. Sitting over here blabbing and something bites it in half. Probably a gar. This thing ain't even long enough for me to... We're gonna have to go back and get another bait. He ripped that thing in half. Yeah, it's probably just a gar sitting over there on the side. There we go. Get us a nice fish right here. Nice smallie. Oh. Beautiful smallie. Ain't big. He was right in that current and he was fighting like he was a monster. This one has like a broke jaw. Won't stop fighting though. It's kind of like he's got a broke jaw on the bottom. Just a little bit. And he's still fighting. Yeah, his lips kind of blistered up down there. You can tell. Hey, we probably snagged this dude before, I'm sure. All right, bud. Get back in there. Look at that. Bit the claws right off my crawl here. Yeah. Oh, well, there we got one. Pretty nice one, too. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Heck yeah, this is what we're looking for. Oh, yeah. Nice chunk right here. Wow. Big old smallie. Nice, nice, nice. Heck yeah. This is what we've been looking for. I haven't caught one this good in a while. I mean, these smallies, this is a hot spot down here. Tons of people fish this area right here. And man, this dude just hammered it. Man, look at those stripes on this thing. Beautiful bass. This fish is just beautiful. It's bleeding a little bit. I don't know why it's bleeding. It's bleeding just a little bit. Man, the colors on this thing is just amazing. Look at this fish. All right, let's get this towed back in the water. This thing is just gorgeous. Wow, what a beautiful bass. And the funny thing is, that thing is still right up under this rock. I released it and it went right up under the rock here. It's just sitting there. I think I can still see its tail kind of under the side here. But wow, that was a nice fish. All right, now we're gonna go on down. I haven't been down this far this year because usually every time I come down here, it's pretty packed when I try to head this way. So we're gonna walk down this way and try to wade back up towards the spillway. Oh my God. This is the perfect size if we want to do a little bait challenge. Man, this thing is teeny. Here. And give it a break, then we're gonna go fish a little bit more. Got something. This one feels good. Oh yeah. Nice, big, dark smallie. Don't break off, bud. Don't break off, dude. Heck yeah, this thing is beautiful. Man. Look at those colors on this fish. Good night. This thing is just beautiful. Crushed that purple tube. That gorgeous smallmouth. Look how dark this underbelly is on this fish. That is just one dark fish, man. Beautiful bass. All right, just a gorgeous fish here. Man, I love to get a smallmouth that has the colors that this one has. Man, we got it right here. Beautiful bass. All right, let's get this one back. And over here. So we're gonna walk out on over here and really try to fish these grass lines. Bluegill's hitting it. There we go. Something is big. Holy crap. What is this? A carp? Yeah, we got us a big carp, guys. Oh my God, this thing is fighting. Oh my God, he's stripping drag. Big old carp. Big freaking carp in the current. We got to get this dude up here. Oh my God. He's running up here in the slack water now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, carp. Big old drum carp here. Heck yeah. Holy crap, yes. Oh yeah, that's what we are freaking talking about. Heck yeah, man. Look at this huge drum carp. We need to get this thing cleaned up a little bit, dude. He is just freaking huge. Good gosh. I'd say this thing weighs probably at least 5 pounds, but he is a big, chunky one. Look at that, dude. There we go. One last look at this dude. Man, he is just huge. All right, let's get this guy released. That dude got me so muddy. God bless. He was so slimy I couldn't hold on to it. I guess even carp like the old Ned rig. And guys, it is a blessing that we had the thing tied straight to, that we had the braid tied straight to the net head, because if it would have been on fluorocarbon, there is no way that fish would have stayed on. He would have definitely broke that line. There is no possible way he wouldn't have. That was probably one of the hardest fish I've ever had to fight. We got this medium power spinning rod, 15-pound braid, and that dude just wanted to eat it. Awesome, awesome stuff. And he got in this current right here, which made things even that much more difficult to pull him in. And at the same time, I was trying not to break off. All right, guys, that's all we have for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Man, we got on him this morning. We caught a couple good largemouth, maybe spotted bass, I'm not real sure. But we got some good smallmouth too. We could have got our personal best. I do believe I was at least a 19, 20 incher, maybe even more than that. And then we got that freaking huge carp. And I'd seen some carp in here before, but I've never caught one in this river. But man, that thing put up a heck of a fight. Really put this ugly stick rod to the test. Look, he's got this thing all muddy. I was sitting there trying to get my camera out, and he was flopping on the bank, and he was just going crazy. But man, what an awesome morning to come down here and catch some fish. It is just a beautiful day. Even though it's rained quite a bit off and on, we have this raincoat. But man, just getting out here on the water and being able to fish a little bit just puts my mind at ease, and I guarantee it would yours too if you have a chance to get out and do some fishing. All right, guys, if you like this video, please leave a like, help me out here on the channel. Also, we'd love to have you part of the channel, subscribe as well, and I'll catch you guys later.